Hello my peeps, today I'm gonna show you how I made stew pork Jamaican style, so stay tuned. So my stew pork is finally finished and this is what it looks like. My gravy is nice and thick and this is exactly. Hi guys, this is Jody Cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm gonna make you some stew pork. So that's my pork. This is pork belly. As you can see, I cut it up. So that's what this look like. These are all my seasoning. You have all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have paprika, 1 spoonful. You have everyday seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have garlic powder, 1 spoonful. You have black pepper, 1 teaspoonful. And you also have pork seasoning, 1 teaspoonful. And I also have some pimento seed. So this is what it look like. And this is my browning. So that's 1 spoonful of browning. So first I'm just gonna blend up all my seasoning. Just make sure your meat is washed and clean. I'm just gonna pour it all over. And I'm also gonna add my browning. Just take your hand and just massage it. So I'm gonna add some more browning, guys, because that's not enough. I'm gonna add around a next spoonful. And I'm gonna also add some thyme. That's 1 teaspoonful of thyme. And some onions, some garlic, and some scotch bonnet pepper. That's look better now. Just make sure all your meat is all covered with the seasoning and with the browning. And if you don't have browning, guys, you can always use soya sauce. So that's done. I'm not gonna marinate it, guys. You can always marinate it if you want to. So here I have a pot on the stove, guys, and my pot is hot. I added at least 3 spoonfuls of vegetable oil to my pot. So now I'm gonna add my pork because I'm gonna brown it. And you're gonna leave it to brown, guys, for at least 10 minutes. So my pork has browned. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of boiling water to my pork. And I'm gonna leave it for at least 45 minutes on a medium heat. And make sure your pot is covered also. Because you want it to be nice and tender. Hi guys, so my pork been cooking for exactly 45 minutes. And this is what it look like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add just a teaspoonful of browning to it. And just stir it. And I'm gonna also add 1 teaspoonful of salt. And some ketchup. That's the amount. And I'm gonna also add some bell pepper, spring onions, and carrot and ginger. I'm gonna give it a taste. Guys, that is delicious. And I'm gonna also add 1 spoonful of sugar. This is optional, guys, but I like the sugar to it to give it a nice, delicious, sweet flavor. And I'm gonna also add 1 spoonful of all-purpose seasoning. Isn't that look delicious, guys? That looks so yummy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave it for at least 10 minutes and it should be ready. So my stew pork is finally finished and this is what it looks like. My gravy is nice and thick and this is exactly how I want it. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Look at that. So this is what my porks look like on the plate. It looking so yummy and so delicious. I'm serving it with some dumpling and some Irish potato. You can serve it with whatever you preferred.